Hello, I'm Ellie from the ISE 2020 from Netipbox. Let us introduce, we are a company, a software company based, and we are introducing our solution all in one here in that fair in Amsterdam. So with our solution, you can control wherever screen that you have. Video walls, as we are seeing here, some LED screens, some queue management, and I don't know, totems, wherever you want. We can use this Nbox, that it's our Android player that you can manage like a plug and play all the screens, or with a typical SOC that it's included in our screens. Okay, wherever you need more information with Netipbox, you can find in our website www.netipbox.com. Thanks, and I hope to see you in our booth.